Alright guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make lots of money using ChatGPT, an open AI chatbot. So if you guys don't know what ChatGPT is, basically it's the newest thing out there and everybody's talking about it. So it's been out for like a month and a half, maybe 2 months, and everybody's going bananas. If you haven't heard about it, this is the perfect time to mess around with it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could potentially make hundreds of dollars a day using ChatGPT, and it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is navigate to here, something called Fiverr. Fiverr is one of those sites where you can either pay for or you can sell your services. Some of the services that they offer are like writing stuff, writing scripts, writing articles, writing reports. This specific page here is for writing video scripts. If you guys don't know, writing a video script is a very tedious process. It takes a lot of time to research and a lot of time to write. And what these people are charging here, I don't know how they're able to charge it, because $10 to write a full video script, you would have to do the research and you would have to write it. That would make no sense. But they have something up their sleeve, right? They have a secret tactic that nobody knows about, and your secret tactic is going to be ChatGPT. And I'll show you guys how ChatGPT can help you make money using Fiverr. So if you guys have never used ChatGPT, I'll leave a link in my description. It's pretty simple. They have a free version. You don't need to pay for it. I'm paying for mine because I use mine a lot, but there is a free version. So once you're logged in, you're going to see something that looks like this with something on the bottom where you could type in something, right? So in here, I'm going to show you guys the power of ChatGPT. So we're going to type in write video script about cleaning a video camera. I wrote on the bottom, write a video script about cleaning a video camera. Just something generic like that. You could be more specific, and it just does it instantly. As you can see, it's writing it right now. It's writing an intro. It's writing cutscenes. It's writing what the narrator should say. It's writing what like the JPEGs you should use and stuff like that. Now, the beauty of ChatGPT, if you're in the same session like this and I haven't cleared it, you can actually ask it to change things. So if you didn't like something in this specific script here or whatever you asked it, you could ask it to change it and it'll change it. Or if you wanted to make it longer or shorter, it'll do it. So awesome, right? It's still writing the script. So it took us about 2 minutes. It fully wrote the script. All you have to do is just copy the script right here, and you're pretty much done. So the way you make money is, again, creating a Fiverr account where your service is to write stuff like video scripts. And then when you get clients for those video scripts, you take their details, you put it into ChatGPT, it prints out whatever information you need, you copy that, paste it, submit it to them, and you get paid. And you could do that numerous times a day. And you could potentially make hundreds of dollars a day doing this method. So if you guys think this is cool, if you guys have never heard of this method or never heard of Fiverr or ChatGPT, let me know. And let me know if you guys are going to try it out. I'm excited to see if you guys actually make money using this method. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Rustin from OsmerTech.com, and thank you guys for watching.